Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery on a 2017 Buick Encore. So first of all, we're going to have to push this little silver button right here to remove the key blade. Then what you're going to do is stick the key blade into this hole right here and pry backwards in order to separate the key body. Once you do that, you should be able to then access the battery. Just watch that all the pieces don't fall out. This is going to be a 2032 battery. You can also just use the key blade to pop this thing out. And we've already just replaced this, but I just wanted to make a video and show you how to do it. But yeah, CR2032, and it's going to be flat side down. You can kind of load it in this way. Make sure that it sits in there flat and flush, and then just simply line those up, press it together. Make sure that the seams are all good, everything's cool. Press the button, make sure that it works, and then slide the key blade back in. And that's how you change the battery on a key fob 2017 Buick Encore.